guys. All right, so I wanted to give you a little rundown on how this week's going to look because it is Thanksgiving week, so it's a little bit shorter of a week. So tomorrow you will be writing equations in point slope form again. This time though, it's going to be from a graph and a table. Pay close attention to the directions. I specified which point to use in the table only because there's going to be a decent amount of points and it'll make my life a little bit easier and your life a little bit easier if you know what point to use. So that's tomorrow. That should be nice, easy breezy, hopefully easy breezy. I'll be keeping an eye on you guys. Don't forget too that me and Mrs. Blake are available from 8:30 to 9 for additional help if you need it. If you find that those times aren't working, don't just reach out. We're ready to help you guys whenever you need it. We'd rather you ask for help than sit there and not know what you're doing. So that's Monday. And then you guys do have class on Wednesday. On Wednesday, you will be graphing. I say graphing very lightly because you're really just going to have to look for the graph that corresponds to the point slope form equation that's given to you. And that will be thoroughly explained. That assignment's going to be a little bit different for you guys because it's multiple choice, but you won't find out whether things are right or wrong until I grade it. So normally you see those green dots up above. They're not going to be there for that assignment. Mainly because I've been finding I know kids will just put A, if it's red, they'll go B, if it's red, C, if it's red, green, D. I've been there, I know what you're doing. So I want you to make sure you know what you're doing. And I will check those myself. I'll be checking them throughout your hour and I'll be giving immediate feedback. So please make sure you come back to, if you finish the assignment, come back to it within the next 10 minutes or so, and you'll be able to see your score on that and fix any problems that might be wrong. So other than that, you guys kind of have a decent week. We are finishing up a section or a different portion. So next week you will have a quiz. Your quiz will fall on Thursday, I believe. Think Thursday. So just if you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a good week.